Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you moral science subject and chapter number 8 है बी ट्रूथफुल। तो कल मैंने जो पहले वीडियो दी उसमें मैंने आपको रीडिंग बताती हूँ। आपको रीडिंग नहीं आता, मैं एक एक वर्ड का रीड करती हूँ, उसको रीड करना है मेरे साथ ही और अच्छी तरह उसको लर्न भी करना है। तो मैं आगे से जो है अपने स्टार्ट करती हूँ, आगे से पैराग्राफ आगे जाती हूँ, जो कल बताया उसके आगे एक बार ये फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ। ऑन द थर्ड डे, THIRD, थर्ड डे, a lion, REALLY, really attacked the ATTACKED, attacked. Shepherd boy, SHEPHERD, shepherd boy and his herd, HERD, herd. In panic he cried out, PANIC, panic he, CRID, cried out, lion, lion. But BUT, but this time, NOBODY, nobody, PAID, pad, any heed. Not one, VILLAGER, villager came to his rescue, RESCUE, risk. But this time nobody paid any heed, not one villager came to his rescue. They thought, THOUGHT, they thought he was, PLAYING, playing the SAM, TRICK, trick, AGAIN, again. Not one villager came to his rescue. They thought he was playing the same trick again. The boy was, KILLED, killed by the lion. The boy was killed, KILLED, killed by the lion. All of us make mistakes, MISTAKES, mistakes. All of us make mistakes. If we try to hide, THEM, them, with a lie, they become, BECOME, they become troublesome, TROUBLESOME, some, troublesome. All of us make mistakes. If we try to hide them with a lie, they become troublesome. The lie troubles us. The lie, TROUBLES, troubles us. But, but, if we SPEAK, speak the truth. But if we speak the truth, we feel free. FEEL, feel, FREE, free. We feel free. The lie troubles us. But if we speak the truth, we feel free. We don't feel so bad about about having done something 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 wrong something wrong. We don't feel so bad about having done something wrong. We don't have to worry worry that the truth truth will be discovered because the because the truth truth has already already been spoken. We don't have to worry that the truth will be discovered because the truth has already been spoken. Of course, COURSE, of course. MUMMY, mummy, will be ANGRY, angry, if you do something SOMETHING, something WRONG, wrong. Of course, mummy will be angry if you do something wrong. But she will get more ANGRY, angry, if you try to cover cover it up by TLLING, telling a lie. But she will get more angry if you try to cover it up by telling a lie. If you on it up, she will be happy. HAPPY, happy. You have SPOKEN, spoken the truth. If you on it up, she will be happy. You have spoken the truth. She will be proud, 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 THAT, that, you are not. She will be proud that you are not AFRAID, afraid of SPEAKING, speaking the truth. If you on it up, she will be happy. You have spoken the truth. She will be proud that you are not afraid of speaking the truth. To err is human, but to lie and conceal it is an offense. To err is human, but to lie and conceal it is an offense. OFFENCE, offense, by admitting, ADMITTING, admitting one's error. One is free from all fear. One becomes BECOMES, becomes COURAGEOUS, courageous. The error is human, but to lie and conceal it is an offense. By admitting one's error, one is free from all fear. FEAR, fear. One becomes COURAGEOUS, courageous. क्या होगा? courageous. WHEN, when you tell one lie. When you tell one lie, you have to tell another lie to conceal the first lie. When you tell one lie, you have to tell another lie to conceal the first lie. Then you have to tell a third lie to conceal the SECOND, second lie. So it GOES goes on. FINALLY, finally. One day the truth comes out and all the lies have been in vain. Second lie, so it goes on. Finally, one day the truth comes out and all the lies have been in vain. It TAKES, takes, COURAGE, courage, to be honest. It takes courage to be honest. But honesty, HONESTY, H silent होगा. But honesty makes, MAKES, makes the heart pure. But honesty makes the heart pure. It makes the mind pure. But honesty makes the heart pure. It makes the mind pure. ALWAYS, always. SPEAK, speak the truth. Always speak the truth. Now we come on lesson number 10. SHRE, share. YOUR, your. Share your. WEALTH, wealth. Share your wealth. This is the story of two FARMERS, farmers. THIS, this is the story, STORY, story of two farmers. THEIR, their, FIELDS, fields. Their fields lay, L-A-Y, lay, S-I-D, side by side. This is the story of two farmers, their fields lay side by side. The water, W-T-R, water, F-L-O-W-E-D, flowed, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through Ram's field into Shyam's field. The water flowed through Ram's field into SHYAM apostrophe S है तो Shyam's field. BOTH, both the fields, both the fields were, WRE, were fertile, 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 and yielded, YIELDED, yielded good crops, CROPS, crops. The fields were fertile and yield good crops. One day, Ram thought, 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 if I keep, 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 if I keep all the water for myself, self, for myself, my field will yield, BTTER, better, CROP, crop, better crop. If I keep all the water for myself, my field will yield better crop. The next day, he, BLOCKED, blocked the PASSAGE, passage, THROUGH, through, WHICH, which, water. The next day, he blocked, BLOCKED, blocked the passage through, 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 WHICH, which, water, FLOWED, flowed into Shyam's field, 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 and all the WATER, water, COLLECTED, collected in Ram's field. The next day, he blocked the passage through which water flowed into Shyam's field, and all the water, COLLECTED, collected in Ram's field. SHYAM apostrophe S, Shyam's field had no water. Shyam's field had no water, but THR, there was, TOO, much water in Ram's field. Shyam's field had no water, but there was too much water in Ram's field, and so the entire, 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 crop, decade, decade, decade.